Hello guys, I'm Christiani. Welcome back to this YouTube tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change and modify the name pages or the pages that are on your menu bar or header. If you don't know which is the menu bar, is this, okay? The um, the bar that you see at the beginning of your site with your logo and the different pages of your site. So to change this bar is really easy. Let me show you how you can modify the pages and maybe change the order or add new pages. So for this, you should go to website, click on website, and then click on navigation. So this gonna change your navigation bar. So here you have different menus, okay? I usually just use the main menu, but you can add a footer menu or member menu or another different menu if you want uh, something completely different with other pages. Add new pages to your menu, you just have to click on this button here, add, and you can add a product, a page, or a link. For what the difference between these three buttons? Well, products can be um, like a course, can be your podcast, can be your community, so it's specifically for your offers. Um, Page can be one of your site pages or can be also one of your landing pages. So you can choose here, for example, my this announcement uh, page is a website page, and if I scroll down I can see my landing pages, so I can choose one of these to show it in my menu. Other thing, or this is more like a tip, you can add here, for example, my services, like, and you it's not necessary to add the complete URL if it's a page that is part of your site. So you can add just you add this and then type services. I prefer this services. So if you change your site domain, it's not necessary to change again the name of your pages. So, and if you click on them and press it, you can change the order. You can also um, preview them, or you can edit them like contact or whatever. So yeah, to add new menus you should click on new menu, but you can use this main menu here. Okay, you can also change the title, and for the menu footer menu you can use, I prefer to use my main menu, but if I'd like to add different pages to my footer or add like a offer or whatever, I could add like I could replicate this menu and add other pages. So let's go to my website. Remember to save everything if you do a change there, and click on my site. So let's change this, customize, and here you'll see, okay, the menu bar is called header. So click on it or click here and you'll see everything to modify. You can change its background, you can change your logo, you can also modify your menu, like choose a different menu, for example a member menu, and you'll have this, or if you create another menu, you can choose it here and you have this, or here, my menu. Yeah, like this. You can also have more, for example, change the alignment, the text alignment. I prefer it through here. And yeah, that's it. It's really easy to change or modify your menu bar on Kajabi. Um, I'm selling this website template. Well, this is mine, but I am selling the one that I use to create my website. Let me show you. This is my chic and minimal template, so let's preview them. And this, I'm selling this website template ready to use. So if you text me down, I can send you the page link to grant this template. It includes different services like a support group and a my Kajabi kickstart or step by step or easy um, course. So you'll see how to modify the template and adapt it to your branding. So if you are interested in having this beautiful website, just check my check my links below.